Hey everyone, welcome back to Full Spectrum Cares. Today, we're diving into something that's literally happening inside all of us right now. Inflammation. You've probably heard the term before. But what is it really? Why does it happen? And could it actually be harming us without us even knowing? Let's break it all down in simple terms so you can understand how inflammation can both help and hurt your health. And of course, what you can do to keep it balanced. Inflammation is a crucial part of our immune system. Think of it as your body's first line of defense. When you get a cut, injure a muscle, or even catch a virus, inflammation kicks in to protect and heal you. The immune system releases chemicals that increase blood flow to the affected area, which is why it might feel warm, look red, or get swollen. All of this happens because our body is sending cells like white blood cells to fight off invaders, whether they're bacteria, viruses, or damaged cells. It's kind of like our own little superhero team. Let's talk about acute inflammation. This is what happens when you cut your finger, twist your ankle, or come down with a cold. Acute inflammation is usually fast and temporary. It's our body's way of sending in the repair team, fixing the damage, and then clocking out once the job is done. So when you see that redness and swelling, don't be alarmed. That's just the body's natural healing at work. Acute inflammation is like your immune system's 911 call. It shows up, fixes the problem, and leaves. But here's the kicker. Inflammation isn't always helpful. Chronic inflammation is a different story. Imagine the repair team never leaves. Chronic inflammation is like having a 24/7 emergency response in your body, even when there's no actual emergency. Over time, this constant state of high alert starts to damage healthy cells, tissues, and even organs. It's like the body can't figure out when to stop fighting. This kind of inflammation is often associated with long-term health problems, from arthritis and diabetes to heart disease and even some cancers. Now, why does chronic inflammation happen? Well, a lot of it has to do with lifestyle. Poor diet, lack of exercise, stress, exposure to pollution, and even lack of sleep can contribute to chronic inflammation. When we consistently put strain on our bodies, whether it's through high sugar diets, smoking, or stress, we're essentially priming the body for long-term inflammation. It's like poking the immune system over and over again until it's always on guard. So how do you know if you might be dealing with chronic inflammation? Some common signs include fatigue, joint pain, skin issues, digestive problems, and even mood changes. While these can be symptoms of many things, they're also indicators that your body might be battling inflammation. Of course, if you're experiencing these symptoms, it's always best to check in with a healthcare professional to get to the root cause. Okay, so let's say you want to reduce chronic inflammation. What can you do? Here are some science-backed tips to help bring things back into balance. Eat an anti-inflammatory diet. Load up on fruits, veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil and omega-3s. These foods are packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation. Get moving. Exercise not only strengthens your body, but also helps lower inflammation levels. You don't need a gym membership, even a daily walk can help. Manage stress. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight or flight mode, which can increase inflammation. Try practices like meditation, yoga, or just taking time to breathe deeply. Sleep well. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Lack of sleep disrupts that process and can lead to inflammation, so aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. By making small, consistent lifestyle changes, you can help your body reduce chronic inflammation and stay healthier for longer. So, to sum it all up, inflammation is an essential part of your body's defense system, but when it lingers, it can start to cause problems. Now you know the difference between acute and chronic inflammation, what causes it, and the steps you can take to keep it in check. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more health insights, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips you have for reducing inflammation. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed is the first step to a healthier life.